A desktop, also known as a desktop computer, is a personal computer designed to be used at a desk or workstation. It typically consists of a central processing unit, CPU, a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse. The CPU contains the computer's microprocessor and other components, including memory, storage, and input-output interfaces. Desktop computers are often used for tasks that require significant computing power or large amounts of storage space, such as video editing, gaming, or running complex software applications. They are also commonly used in office settings for general productivity tasks like word processing, spreadsheet management, and web browsing. Desktop computers come in a variety of form factors, ranging from traditional tower-style units to more compact all-in-one designs that integrate the computer components into the back of the monitor. They can be customized with a variety of hardware components to suit specific user needs and preferences. There have been many versions of desktop operating systems released over the years, but here are some of the most well-known ones. Windows. This is a family of operating systems developed by Microsoft. Some of the most popular versions of Windows include Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP. Mac OS. This is the operating system used on Apple's Macintosh computers. Some of the most popular versions of Mac OS include Mac OS Monterey, Mac OS Big Sur, Mac OS Catalina, and Mac OS High Sierra. Linux. This is a free and open-source operating system that comes in many different flavors, known as distributions. Some of the most popular Linux distributions for desktops include Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and Mint. Chrome OS. This is an operating system developed by Google that is designed to run on Chromebooks, which are lightweight laptops designed for web browsing and cloud computing. These are just a few examples of the many desktop operating systems that have been developed over the years.